projection that we're going to talk about is the AP. There are three different AP projections. There's an AP internal, an AP external, and an AP neutral. For projections of the shoulder, you're going to detent to your wall bucky, 90-degree angle with a horizontal beam coming to the wall bucky. That's a 40-inch SID. Your IR is going in crosswise, y'all. So that means that the center of your IR has to align to this little notch right here. Come on up here, Crystal, so you can really see this. Can you see that little notch right there?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means you're going to have to bring up this little lever on the bottom to hold the IR crosswise. We collimate to 10 by 12 crosswise. So that means I'm coming 12 inches across and 10 inches high for shoulder. You'll start out there. Most adults, we're going to leave it 10 by 12 crosswise. Some we can collimate in a little bit more, but children will collimate in, and I'll tell you how much in just a minute. I'm going to use my mannequin here for a second, because what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our patient with their back up against the IR. We're using the center chamber, and the first, for the AP, internal, external, or neutral, you're going to find this coracoid process. Remember, it's right below the clavicle. And if you find your humeral head, there's a little junction right underneath your clavicle in between that humeral head and the clavicle. It's a little dip there. That's where the coracoid process is going to protrude out. So y'all need to make sure y'all can find that. So for the AP, you're going to find the coracoid and you're going to center 1 inch inferior to it. And I might actually have to get somebody because it might be hard with this central ray going through his bones. Once I get centered to that area, then I can bring my IR up. Here's my coracoid. I'm coming 1 inch below it. That's not too shabby right there, to be honest. You can see my bones, what I'm including in here. With AP shoulders, you have to include the entire clavicle. So that means you need to include at least half of that jugular notch to make sure you've got that medial end of the clavicle. All right. Let me get somebody up here as my patient. I'm going to take him out.